In this lesson, lesson 2, I show how to run 3 trains using the Hornby Professional Controller, which is the only recommended DC controller that is in my possession and that I use. So I have 3 locomotives on track. One of them, the circuit is disconnected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the controller again. And as usual, the furthest train will not move. So we're going to restart. And now both are moving. So this time, this train will pass straight through again. I'm going to stop this train. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut off the circuit here, like that. And I'm going to, remember this, folks, cut off the circuit here. So the train on the inner track or the loop will come out. Like so, and the other train is moving. So that ends the lesson, running 3 trains on a single Hornby controller.